Hey everyone, welcome back to SoftCloud YouTube channel. Today we are going to download Autodesk products, so let's start. Here we have to follow a few simple steps. Open your web browser and go to autodesk.com. Click the Sign In button. If you have already created an Autodesk account, you can sign in. If you are new to Autodesk, click Create Account. Enter your first name and last name. Enter your email address and confirm it. Create a password for your Autodesk account, and enter it. Click the checkbox, and then, click the Create Account button. Now we have to verify your email address. Open a new tab, and go to your email account. Open the verification email that came from Autodesk. Click the Verify Email button. Now press the Done button. Congratulations! Your Autodesk account was successfully created. So now we are going to request educational access from Autodesk. Let's start. Go to Autodesk homepage, and click Products menu. Click Educational Access. Click Get Products button. If you have educational access, you can download all of these Autodesk products. Once eligibility is confirmed, you'll have access for 1 year, renewable as long as you remain eligible. Select a product you want to download. For this tutorial, I download 3ds Max. Select 3ds Max. Select Student. Select Education role as Student. Set your birthday, and press the Continue button. Before starting this step, you need your student ID, or school transcript, or student confirmation letter. Select your school's country. Enter your school's address. Enter your school's city and postal code. If you don't know your school's city postal code, you can find it on Google. Select your school institution type. When you start typing, a list of names will appear, and then you can select your school name. Enter your school's web address. Set your graduation date. Click the checkbox, and then press the Continue button. Click the Continue button. If you know the username and password, you can log in and verify your student identity. If you don't know it, then close this tab and, again, click the Continue button. Now you can upload your student identification document. After the document upload, click the Continue button. Click the Submit button. Go to your email account, then check your inbox and spam box. Open an email from Autodesk. Click Get Product. Click Select button. Click Install button.